Okay, ladies and gents, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer about $200 from my Coinbase account over to my Tron wallet. Okay, so I need to convert Bitcoin into Tron so I can get Tron to my wallet. Okay, so let's log in. Tron wallet, Tron link. And right now I got $554 worth of Tron. And these are my Tron link wallets here. So what I'm going to do is I want to get this up to $700. Okay. So I'm going to take $200 from this account here. So what you have to do is you have to have an Exodus wallet. Now Exodus is a place where you can exchange Bitcoin to other altcoins. All these are different altcoins. And if you go over down to the bottom here, you got some Tron. So I can convert Bitcoin to Tron, but first I have to send money over to my Exodus wallet. Okay. So you have to have an Exodus wallet to do this. And this is the wallet here. So I want to receive Bitcoin to this wallet. So click on that. I'm going to copy this address here because I want to receive Bitcoin to this address. So let's minimize that. So I want to send $200 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm putting $200. And we copy the address. I'm going to left click, right click, paste. I can say I'm gonna say for investment. I said Daisy. I'll just say for investment. Okay. So I'm gonna click on continue. And you want to confirm BC1, 9 Euro J. Just confirm your wallet there. Address you want to send it to 2-in-1. Send now. I'm going to send. Okay. Confirm your send. Never seen that before. So let's see here. So I guess I'll go to my Google Authenticator, see if that's what they're asking for. 84, see here. 848 583. Confirm. Okay. So that is done. Usually takes 10 minutes. Okay. So now I can go over to my Exodus wallet. And I received it already. See? So now I got $201 in Bitcoin. So that was pretty quick. Now what I want to do is I want to convert this $201. I want to exchange it for Tron. Okay. And you can always, if this says something else up here, like let's say if it says that if you're looking for Tron, you can click on the down arrow, click on search, and start typing. Tro. So that's what I want to do. I want to exchange basically $188 now to whatever over to Tron. Okay. So I want to say all, and I'm going to get $178. So with fees and everything, that's what I'm going to be sending over to my converting or exchange it to Tron. So I'm going to hit exchange. And this may take about 10 to 15 minutes for this to happen, okay? You see, you will receive 170 USD. Okay, so we'll wait a few minutes and then I'll continue with the video. Okay, we're going to wait till this actually convert over to Tron. And you're looking for Tron. Let's see here. We can go over, we can click on this here, Tron. Right now I got 0 worth of Tron, but once it finishes going through the exchange, I'm going to have that $200 or $178 worth of Tron sitting right here. Okay, now I'm in my wallet, so I'm going to pause this video and I'll come back to show you when that happens. Okay, or when the $200 is, or $178 is here. Okay, ladies and gents, I received $179 worth of Tron, which is 6,359 Tron. So what we're going to do is we're going to, let me get out of this here. Yeah, it's here. Had to reset my Spotify. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to our Tron link. And what I'm going to do is, to get your Tron link address you want to send it to, you want to click on this. You want to copy it, because I want to send Tron to this account here. Okay? Or you can click on it and you want to receive. You can click here or click here. And this is your Tron link address right here. You can go right here. There's 3 different places where you can go. But I like to just click the little box here and just copied it. So I'm going to go back to my Exodus. So I want to send Tron to this address here. Okay. So let's go back to Exodus. Send. I want to send to Tron address. I'm going to right click, left click, paste. TRPG. Let's verify that. TRPG at 51X. Let's go back, verify some more. 51X. Okay, so I want to send all of it. $179 worth. I want to send. I have to put my Exodus password in. Unlock. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to send $179 worth? And I want to send. Alright, so that has been sent. So let's go back to see if we received it. Okay, we can come over here to our, and see, now it's there. So I got $737 worth of Tron. Click on that and it'll show that it just came in a few minutes. So Tron is really fast, and that's how you go from Coinbase to Exodus wallet to your Tron wallet. Okay, so thank you for watching, and look forward to teaching you some more things about cryptocurrency. Alright, have a blessed day.